Need more clarity? Ask OrCam to explain specific sections. For example, say, "Explain this paragraph." And OrCam will provide a detailed explanation based on the context.
The text discusses the concept of expanding on freedom and creativity through experimentation, using examples from Shell's Game Changer initiative. The initiative involved bringing together.
For a quick overview, ask OrCam to summarize the text. Say, "Summarize this document." And the device will highlight the key points in a concise manner.
The document describes Shell's Game Changer program, which fosters innovation through experimentation, investment, and support for new ventures.
OrCam is not just a reader, it's an intelligent assistant. Ask any question related to the scanned text, and OrCam will provide an answer. How much funding the team receive?
The teams received funding ranging from an average of $100,000 to sometimes as much as $600,000 within 8 to 10 days. Do you want to know more about the funding process in the Game Changer program?
From context-specific queries to general questions, the AI is equipped to assist. Exploring texts in different languages, OrCam simplifies this too. With its advanced translation feature, OrCam can translate text from any language into your preferred language. Just say, "Translate this to your language," and watch as OrCam effortlessly bridges language barriers.
The menu offers pollo de genalsao, genalso's chicken, for $85.
Whether it's a foreign document, a menu in another language, or an international news article, OrCam ensures you're never lost in translation. With OrCam, the power of information is at your command. Experience a new way of interacting with text, where your curiosity leads and technology follows.